Good morning, Tianshi. Good morning, millionaire. And I'm Mizan Dahir Mahmoud, a Tian's member, God Lion distributor. I'm from Africa, especially from Somalia. And this is my first time to visit here in China, and especially to visit my company, Tian's Health Industrial Park. Really, today I'm very amazing, I'm very shocked when I have seen this huge holding and huge industry and huge, company actually. Although I believe before, I have never seen before them, but I have believed for 5 years working in TS, never seen before. But today I have seen, and it is very amazing. I get shocked and a very special place to be. I regret to be here before, but I was just busy for the business, and actually now I'm happy to be here. I actually want to thank you to the Mr. Lee, join our president, and to thanks for his team, and thanks for everyone who is here working in Tian's. And I can say for the Tian's distributor, here is our home, here is our sweet home, beautiful home to be here. And actually, if we work hard, we can see the beautiful place, beautiful company, beautiful people, beautiful place to be. Actually, this is and something for me is something very special for me, and I will never forget in my heart. Actually, it has a beautiful place for my heart to see my beautiful company here, to visit and to see everyone here happy. And even I visit today Tian's University, which is very beautiful, and it is 7,000 students are already there, and now. And it is supposed to be 13,000 students will be in the future in the company, but now it's 7,000 students are working in learning in Tian's University. It's really actually very beautiful place to be, and I have a dream to be there even. So after now, when I see this company, I go back to home and I will share to my people. I tell them what I have seen today, which is a special thing to be here. Actually, I would like to say thank you very much for our president, Mr. Lee Juan, for his contribution, for his giving us opportunity as an African and to have our dream actually. Before Tian's, actually, I was a normal person, but now I am someone special really, and I have a dream even to share other people and to develop other people to achieve their dreams. Somehow, somewhere, I have achieved some of my dreams, including my car, including my house. I bought a house for Tian's, I buy car from Tian's. Actually, I have received 2 times in a car award from Tian's. Now I'm waiting for my 30th car to be achieved in Tian's. So if you work at Tian's, you will achieve your dream. If you work at Tian's, you will see beautiful place. If you work at Tian's, you meet with beautiful people. If you work at Tian's, you will realize your dream. If you